So right now we are at the Tony and Guy salon and we are fixing our hair today. So welcome back to my channel. For the people who don't know me, hi, this is Priyanka Bhattacharjee and I welcome you all to my channel. So right now we are at the Tony and Guy and we are fixing our hair today. ग्लो अप सीरीज़ में ये पहला चीज़ हो रहा है कि हम अपने बाल ठीक कर रहे हैं। तो गाइस बने रहिए, हम आपको दिखाएंगे पूरे व्लॉग में कि पूरा हेयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आज कैसे हो रहा है। एंड ये प्लान बहुत सडनली बना, ब्लॉगिंग का कोई प्लान ही नहीं था, बट इवेंचुअली बन गया। 50 foils have been used and we are doing a very different color. Let's see how it goes. So today we are doing a chocolate brown balayage, which is basically soft, natural, and will give me sun-kissed vibes. So I've been waiting for a while because I needed a hair ultimate glow up. So today we are here at Tony and Guy Salon and we are ready to rock and roll. My goal for my hair was something which is very luxurious but at the same time should be easy to carry forward, not too light and on the brown family. So I sat down with my stylist and we decided to go for this chocolate brown balayage with some baby light highlights. So we started by sectioning the hair into 4 parts to make sure the balayage placement is super precise because the foundation and the blending part is everything. So my stylist recommended me to go for pre-lightening rather than bleach because bleach does a lot of damage to our hair and we do not want to mess around with damage, right? So we took diagonal back sections, painting from mid-length down and feathering up for the soft blended look. No harsh line here. I look like a little foil alien right now, but I trust the process, trust me. Notice how my stylist used the lightener onto the surface of the hair, focusing on the mid-length and the ends and feathering it upward for that soft blend. Saturate the ends well because we want brightness but not the harsh line. Here we are talking about the color range and potential of the brown family. Because I opt for chocolate brown balayage, even after fading off, I would still get a very sun-kissed and subtle look. And if you're switching to ash or blonde family, the color payoff after fading leave a very golden and a very ugly look that we don't want. So it's always safe to choose brown if your skin tone prefers it. Let's talk about this. You guys might be wondering why I am doing pre-lightening here. So pre-lightening is very important when it comes to coloring our hair, especially when we are doing something like a chocolate brown balayage. So pre-lightening is basically the process of lifting the hair's natural or existing color, and it's a game changer for getting that rich, dimensional result. See, every hair level has underlying pigments: red, oranges, yellows. If we don't lift that out first, any color we put on top won't show up. For example, if we try to apply a chocolate brown on dark brown hair without lightening, it might barely show up. But when we pre-lighten section to a golden or caramel base, then apply the chocolate tone. Boom! It pops up. It's warm, it's dimensional, it's glossy. After finishing the pre-lightening process and cutting down the negatives of our hair by darkening the section, we move towards shampooing your hair. I just want to let you know, guys, shampooing is the best part of a salon, right? You never ever can do it at home. And we towel dried and prepped for toner. This is where the chocolate comes in. I mean, the color get deposited on the wet hair. It's basically a chocolate rim, right? And after processing for 20 minutes while I scrolled through my reel section, as one does, we are literally ready to get it all clean and set up with new hair. Final rinse, deep conditioning mask, and now we are blow drying. I'm not ready for this reveal, guys. Like, look at that shine, you guys. The blend is so soft, and the color, oh my god, it's giving me all madam and princess vibe. It's giving rich, cozy, and effortless. I'm obsessed. This is the perfect tone for transitioning into any season without going too dark. And that's the full chocolate Balear's transformation. From pre-lightening to toning, every step makes a difference. If you love this glow up as much as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. And what? Don't forget to follow in on my social accounts. This is Priyanka signing off. See you in the next one.